All right, so we're going to take this reading that's 30% and change it into a fraction and a decimal. So 30% means I have 30 out of 100. And we can simplify this because I know my 30 and my 100 have something in common. They've got a 10 in common. So if I divide each by 10, 30 divided by 10 is 3, and 100 divided by 10 is 10. 3/10 is as simple as it gets. So 30% is equal to 3/10. And then I also can change this 3/10 into a decimal. 0.3 is 3/10. So these are three ways that our reading is written, but they all mean the same thing. 30%, 3/10, or 0.3, 0.3. Now for math, we've got 3/5, and I want to change this into a percentage. So I'm going to change this to get a 100 on the bottom. I've got to multiply 5 by something to get a 100 on the bottom. Now, you might not know what that is, so we can do a little thinking. 100 divided by 5, if I want to go backwards, is 20. So when I multiply 5 times 20, I get 100. So I need to multiply the same thing on top. 3 times 20 gives us 60. So 60 out of 100 is 60%. And then I can also write this as 0.6. So I've got my 3/5, my 60%, and my 6/10. And lastly, my science is where we've got 1/10, which I can rewrite as a fraction, 1/10. And then that 1/10 I can turn into a percentage with a 100 on the bottom. I know 10 times 10 gives me 100, and 1 times 10 gives me 10. So I've got 1/10, 1/10, oops, and then this is 10%. I'm going to stop that there and go on to the next one.